We don't live in a barn, you yell. That's real. Hi, I'm Frank with HMAC, and I'm here to talk to you about all things air conditioning. Air conditioning is the primary cause of your electric bill. Between that and the hot water heater, it's a fight. I would say, depending on where you live, South Florida, air conditioning is the number one reason your electric bill is what it is. When it comes to air conditioning, obviously preventative maintenance, the more efficient your AC runs, the less amperage it pulls, which turns into wattage. That's a spinning clock on your meter. That's what they add up and subtract every single month to give you your bill. The lower that is, the lower your electric bill is. When you buy equipment that is high efficiency, that's what they're talking about. They're talking about as far as what it takes. They use a ratio, but it's what it takes on an average to operate that unit at set temperatures with outside being set temperatures. The lower the SEER rating, the more it costs to operate the machine. The higher the SEER rating, the less it costs to operate the machine. It's similar to what you see when you buy hot water heaters or even washers and dryers. The Energy Star sticker that's on there that has a from left to right deal. That's kind of what we're talking about when it comes to SEER rating and air conditioners. When it comes to maintenance of your AC system, I would say probably the biggest thing you can do to minimize your impact on energy usage using your AC system is going to be washing down your outside coil. Whether you have a package unit outside or whether you have a split system with a condensing unit inside, air handler outside, that outside coil exposed to the elements, exposed to dirt, grass, debris, whatever's going on outside in your yard, it's a lot of heat transfer happens out there, and the cleaner that is, the more efficient the heat transfer is. That's something to keep in mind when you do preventive maintenance and where you pay for your preventive maintenance. You're going to want to make sure you wash that coil down outside. It is the key to keeping electric bills down, especially when it's hot out. Your AC system, the way it works, obviously it's pulling in a certain temperature, whatever temperature is in your home, it's pulling that in. It's dropping that temperature and pulling out humidity and feeding it back through your supply grills through the ductwork. The way to keep your AC from running so much, which equals a lower energy usage, lower energy bill, is definitely going to be your heat load in the home. That's going to be your windows, your doors. That's your attic. That's your attic insulation. You're trying to minimize the heat load within your home. People leaving the front door open. We don't live in a barn, you yell. That's real. You don't live in a barn. Barns didn't have air conditioning and they didn't care. But at your house, you have air conditioning and you care. The lower your heat load within your home, the lower your energy bill is going to be. Your AC runs less. When it comes to attic insulation, obviously there's several types of insulation. There's blown in, there's bat style. They also do open and closed cell foam insulation. Any insulation is better than no insulation. Your attics get 160 degrees in the summer down here in South Florida. You can go up there and try to fry an egg. That heat will sit on top of your drywall, which makes up your entire ceiling of your home. And if you take a TEM gun and shoot that ceiling and you get that temperature, you'll be very surprised at what you see if you have an uninsulated section of ceiling. Also, you can do if you walk around with infrared, you want to use thermal, take a look at your ceiling. You're going to see where you have insulation spots missing, and you can go and rectify that. You want to keep the heat load down in your home so your AC runs less. If you live in South Florida and you need AC service, give us a call or contact info is below.